This is one of the quite interesting design, handmade design on the jacket, on the pants. This is from Polish folk. This kind of it's from the region of Kashuby, close to the Baltic Sea, and that's what I was presenting in different costumes, different region of the folk of Poland. Yeah, this is typical Kashuby design. Here is one which it's dying now. Used to have lots of rhinestones, but through the laundry and everything. But I still keep it for souvenir. And it was made as well, nice way, you know, with the designer.